Ajmair book Civil passage number 23 recorded by B&A Shorthand Studio. Dictation speed 100 words per minute. Ready, start. The Election Commission of Pakistan in 2007, decided to conduct general elections in the month of February 2008, Mr. Muhammad Amin Umrani, the respondent number 1, submitted his nomination papers against a seat of the Balochistan Provincial Assembly, constituency of PB9 Nasirabad on the basis of the degree, allegedly issued to him by the University of Balochistan. Full stop. The respondent number 1 contested the elections and subsequently was declared and notified as a successful candidate. Full stop. Para. On formation of the Balochistan cabinet, he became the part of it as a member for excise and taxation department. Full stop. Government of Balochistan through the instant petition, the petitioner called in question the elections of the respondent number 1 on the ground that to contest the election in 2008, a candidate must be a graduate, but the degree of the respondent number 1 is forged, therefore, he is not a graduate. Full stop. To support his contention, the petitioner annexed with his petition the examination form submitted before the University of Balochistan for appearance in the exams of BA. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the respondent number 1 did not appear in examination hall, rather in his place, Mr. Mumtaz Ali, the respondent number 4, appeared and solved the papers, such as succeeded in getting the degree fraudulently. Full stop. The petitioner prayed to issue a writ of quo warranto against the respondent number 1, declaring him to be disqualified. Full stop. Notice of the petition was issued to the respondents, in response the University of Balochistan filed its parawise comments, and on the direction of this court, they submitted a report in respect of the examination form and the documents submitted before the examination branch. Full stop. The private respondents also submitted their separate parawise comments, denying the contention of the petitioner. Full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner stated that on coming to know about the fraud committed by the respondent number 1, the petitioner, having no alternate and efficacious remedy, approached this court with a request to ask respondent number 1 as to how he holds the office in view of the established facts that his degree is forged. Full stop. According to him, the contention of the petitioner got support from the report of the University of Balochistan, therefore, the respondent number 1 is not entitled to retain the office. Full stop. The learned counsel stated that this court has the power to declare the election of the respondent number 1 as null and void. Full stop. He relied upon a judgment passed in the cases of Musammad Hazan versus the government of Balochistan, reported in PLD 2005 Quetta 145, and Saifullah Khan versus Hafiz Hamdullah, reported in PLD 1997 Quetta 104. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondents numbers 1 and 4 opposed the contention and stated that this court has no jurisdiction to entertain the petition for the reason that it is an election dispute which is triable by an election tribunal, and it also involves a factual controversy, therefore, it cannot be resolved through a constitutional petition, hence the petition is not maintainable. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1 argued that the degree has lawfully been obtained from the University of Balochistan, and the respondent number 1 himself appeared and solved the papers in the exam, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent number 4 also supported the contention of the respondent number 1 and stated that he never appeared in the examination of BA in place of the respondent number 1, full stop. Both the learned counsel for the respondent numbers 1 and 4 further stated that the documents relied upon by the petitioner are forged and have been manipulated by him in connivance with the university officials, whereas, the degree is genuine. Full stop. Stop writing, please.